Jane was tired of feeling like her paycheck vanished as soon as it arrived. She wasn't overspending on luxury items, yet somehow, by the end of every month, she had little to show for her hard work. Determined to make a change, she decided to try something new: frugal living. At first, it was tough. Jane didn't realize how much small purchases added up. A daily coffee, takeout meals, and impulse shopping trips were eating away at her budget. So, she made changes. She started brewing coffee at home, cooking in bulk, and cutting down on unnecessary spending. To her surprise, these small steps made a big difference. For the first time, Jane watched her savings grow. But it wasn't just about cutting back. It was about being smart with her money. She used what she saved to pay off her credit card debt and started an emergency fund. Jane learned to invest in quality over quantity, buying things that lasted rather than opting for cheap replacements. As time went on, Jane didn't feel deprived. She felt empowered. She discovered joy in finding creative, affordable ways to enjoy life, like hosting dinner parties with friends instead of dining out. Thrift shopping became a hobby, where she found unique, budget-friendly treasures. A few years later, Jane wasn't just saving, she was thriving. Her emergency fund was strong, and she finally had financial security. What began as a necessary adjustment became a lifestyle that gave her peace of mind. For Jane, frugal living wasn't about sacrifice. It was about making choices that brought her closer to financial freedom.